Hey, welcome to another Pour video. I know that it's been a really long time since I've posted a video or responded to comments or anything like that, but I don't really have a good explanation for it. I needed like a really long break from it all, and life just got in the way. I've been busy with my real job. I still haven't monetized this account at all, and I'm wondering if I need to do so in order to be motivated to do these videos. Another big issue that I'm having is that I feel like I'm running out of things to say all the time with these videos. I mean, I repeat myself a lot. I find that like I'm just kind of saying the same things over and over again, and that's got to be pretty boring. So I'm right now I'm trying to decide whether or not I should just switch back to finding some music to go along with these videos or what. That way at least I'll post them a lot more. I mean, I've sat on this video for like months, well, maybe 2 months or so, mainly because I was having a hard time doing the voiceover. So I have another video that I think that I still have kicking about, the third planet of my Big Planet series, and maybe I'll try and put music to that one and just get it up, because that one is actually going to be displayed in a public place in Montreal and in this pizza place randomly. Anywho, I was experimenting with different techniques to get the paint out of the trays, so I put this little spinny thing on top of my favorite tray. This was before I changed my recipe drastically. I've done a couple of paintings after this one, and I really went with a lot thicker paint. And I haven't decided yet whether or not I like this new recipe, but I was getting so frustrated before with my ribbons moving that I just went in the complete opposite direction and used some really thick paint to make the ribbons. In any case, this painting actually turned out really well. It didn't move that much. I didn't expect a lot of things with this. First of all, my first little pass with it, the paint didn't really come out, and I kind of just like left these streaks of paint, which turned out to be the best part of the painting, because then when I actually got the ribbon out on top of it, the ribbon kind of molded around these streaks of paint when it eventually dried, and I think it's one of the best paintings I've ever done, quite frankly. I know, again, I'm repeating myself a lot, but what can you do? I suppose that you can also tell that this is a completely unedited version of me doing voiceovers with all my ums and ahs and all that. But I really just wanted to make room on my phone to get another video on there, because I'm having an itch to do another painting this weekend, and my phone's starting to act funny because of all the videos that I have stored on it. So anyways, that's the plan with that. Oh, I forgot in this one I was experimenting with a different camera angle too, so you could really see up close what I was doing with my paint there. It's actually the best part of doing these ribbons is loading up the tray. It's very therapeutic, just putting all those little blotches of paint in there. This voiceover has really been all over the place and poorly planned. Sorry about that, but I really wanted to do it in just a couple takes. Before, when I was doing the voiceovers, it was like I'd do a take and then I would hate all my ums and ahs and redo it. And it often would take like an hour or more just to get 5 minutes of me sounding reasonable on the voiceover. So, I mean, maybe it is really time just to switch over to music. Anyways, this is the moment that you've been waiting for. It's amazing how people think that this is really easy when just laying down the ribbon, but the process it takes to get to this point is like really quite time consuming. I mean, sure, anyone could do this last little part, but it was like all the preparation beforehand that made it actually successful. Just my thoughts on that. So you can see that like it didn't really work out the way I expected, the spinny thing at the top, but it turned out to be the best thing that could have happened with this painting. So you can't really see it right off the bat, but like as the paint kind of moved around it, the splashes and started drying, it gave it this like really cool 3D effect, and it is just really quite cool. I mean, the ribbons are awesome and all, but my favorite part of these paintings are the unexpected little like streaks and splashes and kind of the bits that are not adhering to any rules. Does that make sense? No. Rebel streaks. I like the rebel streaks of paint. They're the best. And I was actually also really happy that I managed to miss my little planet thing that I made there, because I really like it. I think it's cute and interesting. I actually don't even remember what I called this painting. I think I called it Perspective. That sounds about right. Anyways, that's about it. Sorry about this rambling, weird voiceover, and I'm going to try and think of a plan to get me to post videos more regularly. Just post some more content. So if you guys are watching this, thanks for hanging in there with me and being so loyal and awesome. And I hope I'll post some more soon, and I hope to see you soon. Have a great day. Bye.